the lineup, we have some really cool things for you guys. We have males and we have females this time. Without further ado, let's get into this week's hottest. Of course, as usual, Miss Rihanna has been really busy, and this week it's no surprise that she made my list again. This time she was seen performing in Amsterdam in all black, basically with gold accent. And of course, my focus of this outfit was her shoes. I think those are the focal points of the outfit for me, next to her necklace, of course. But I really liked the shoes. They're very edgy, very fierce. They had like a lot of strapping detail going up in the front of the shoes. So my guess is that it has like a zipper in the back. But still on the subject of celebrity performances, Nicki Minaj hit the stage with Chris Brown this week at the Power 106 Powerhouse 2013 concert. She was wearing some nice sandals, black with some gold studs on them. They looked really comfortable, really add a nice touch of funk to the outfit because she was just wearing some skinny jeans and a top, you know, so I guess that was also a statement piece. Hopping in at number 3 is Miss Zoe Saldana with this beautiful black floral dress designed by Alexander McQueen. She actually wore this to an event in Turkey this week. She also paired it with some nice lace up heels, also by the same designer, and the outfit was really nice. I enjoyed the print on the dress. It really added a pop of color. It looks really simple, but it looks really elegant at the same time. And she finished off the look with a nice red lip. So here comes the first male in my trip review. I was so excited when I saw this. It looks really nice. It looks very sophisticated. And it's Mr. Nick Cannon coming in at my number 2 spot this week. It's actually like a cream and white tux with matching pants and matching shoes. And he actually wore this to the world premiere of Let Me Explain, which is a movie featuring Kevin Hart. Really macho, you know, but still elegant for a man at the same time. And in number 1 position this week is Mrs. Future herself, Ciara, wearing a beautiful, nice, chic, yet casual outfit. She made an appearance on Access Hollywood this week wearing a nice red leather sweatpants that's actually quite expensive. Let's say $1,400 US. Yes, darling. She is also known for playing up men's clothing and making it really chic and making it really feminine. I love that about her. So if you pair this outfit with some nice gold accessories, she played it off with some nice black pumps as well that made it look really nice, really edgy and really girly. So I think she definitely deserved the number 1 spot this week. And of course guys, you know, join me next week for my next trip review. Every Friday at 7 p.m. there will be a new one. Until next time guys, stay safe and stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys in the next trip. Mwah.